Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about extensing muscles of the tongue. So guys, if you not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, let's start our video. So firstly we talk about the introduction of the extensing muscles. So the extensing muscles, 4 in number, they are genioglossus, hyoglossus, palatoglossus and styloglossus. So they are 4 in number. As you can see on the diagram, all the muscles are mentioned. It connect to the tongue to the mandible by the genioglossus, hyoid one via the hyoglossus, styloid process via the styloglossus and palate via the palatoglossus. So firstly we talk about genioglossus. So it take origin from the superior mental spine. As you can see on the diagram, this is the genioglossus. So it take origin from the mental spine and it is inserted into the mucous membrane of the tongue. And action of it protrudes the tongue, depress the central part of the tongue and increase the volume of the mouth as in sucking. So action of it protrudes the tongue, depress the center part of the tongue and increase the volume of the mouth. So this is the genioglossus. Now the second one of it, hyoglossus. So it take origin from the greater horn and the body of the hyoid bone. So simply it is originated from the hyoid bone and it is inserted into the side of the tongue. As you can see on the diagram, this is the hyoglossus and action of it depress the side of the tongue, assisting genioglossus to enlarge the oral cavity. So it assists in genioglossus to enlarge the oral cavity and depress the side of the tongue. So this is the hyoglossus that take origin from the hyoid bone and inserted into the side of the tongue. Now the third muscle is palatoglossus. So the palatoglossus that take origin from the palatine aponeurosis of the soft palate and it is inserted into the side of the tongue. More a part of soft palate than the tongue. And action of it elevate the posterior part of the tongue. So the posterior part of the tongue that is elevated by the help of the palatoglossus muscle and bilaterally approximate the palatoglossus, thus help in closing the oropharyngeal isthmus. So this is the palatoglossus muscle. Now the fourth one is styloglossus muscle. So the styloglossus muscle, as we discussed in the introduction part, it is from the styloid process. So it take origin from the styloid process of the temporal bone near its apex. As you can see on the diagram, this is the styloglossus muscle and it is inserted into the longitudinal part into the inferior longitudinal muscle, oblique part into the hyoglossus muscle. So the longitudinal part that is found to the inferior longitudinal muscles and the oblique part into the hyoglossus muscle, and the function of it elevate and the retract the tongue. So these all are the muscles of the tongue: styloglossus, genioglossus, hyoglossus, palatoglossus, that connect to the tongue to the mandible by the genioglossus, hyoid bone via the hyoglossus, styloid process via the styloglossus and the palate via the palatoglossus. So these all are the extensing muscle of the tongue. So guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.